Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect the Ledger Live to your Ledger Nano X and Nano S step-by-step process. So let's get started. First, all you need to do is to download a Ledger Live and install it from the official page. Make sure that the Ledger Nano X and the S is fully charged or plugged in. Then, step 2 is to open the Ledger Live and set up. Then choose a device model, Nano X or Nano S. Then tap a set up a new device or restore a recovery phrase if you've used it before. Then after that, there is a step 3 that is all about to connect the device. For the Nano X, connect it via Bluetooth or mobile or USB in desktop. And for Nano S, connect it via USB only. And follow the on-screen instructions. Your ledger will ask for a PIN confirmation. Then verify the add accounts. The Ledger Live will verify your device, and once confirmed, tap add account and sync your crypto wallets like Bitcoin or Ethereum. And that's it. You've now connected and ready to manage your crypto securely with Ledger Live. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.